Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar for students in 2026. Google Calendar is a great tool for managing classes, assignments, exams, and study schedules in one place. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. To add a class or study session, click the Create button and select Event. Enter a title for the event, such as Math class, English lecture, or study session. Then choose the date and time for the class. If the class is online, click Add Google Meet to create a meeting link. You can also add notes, chapter numbers, assignment details, or exam information in the description box. After entering all the details, click Save. Now switch to the week view to see your daily class schedule. This view helps you manage multiple classes and study sessions throughout the week. For better organization, use different colors for different subjects. For example, use blue for classes, green for study sessions, orange for assignments, and red for exams. Color coding makes your calendar much easier to read. You can also create tasks for homework and assignments. Set a due date, and Google Calendar will remind you before the deadline. Another useful feature is recurring events. If you have the same class every week, set it to repeat weekly so you don't have to create it again. Finally, enable notifications so you receive reminders before classes, exams, and assignment deadlines. This helps you stay organized and never miss an important academic event. That's how to use Google Calendar for students in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google Calendar tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.